Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a clean and professional multi-step form for solar panels installations. Perfect for collecting leads, estimating cost, or guiding users through the step-up process. Let's see how we do this. So I have built a landing page off camera, so in this video we can focus on the multi-step form. Let's get started. We click on Elements, drag and drop the quiz, and create it from scratch. Okay, for the first step, we are going to collect the lead if he needs a solar panel, battery, or solar panel plus battery. Let's get started. Our lead, we have to make it beautiful, so we have to use image choice. I have uploaded these images off camera to don't show you the step how to upload an image, but you can upload it here. We have to check the navigate and option click. So if we click this, it immediately redirects us to the next step. We make this required. So now that we have navigate on option click, we don't need the button here. For the next step, we are going to ask if he's a homeowner or is in rent. Here is a trick. I'm going to do it navigation conditional because he's a tenant. I want to stop the flow and say that I'm sorry for you are not eligible for this time. This I have to create the other steps. So let's start with rent. We have navigating option click, so let's remove the continue button. Okay, I'm going to create a step for rent. If he clicks rent, I'm just going to display a simple message that sorry you are not eligible founding at this time. Let's do this heading 3, and now we go at our step 2 and navigation. At the end we go clicks rent. So what happens here? If we're doing interactive mode, if you click rent, you are not eligible funding this time. So we need our step for homeowner. Let's create. Now I want to collect what type of house we make this required. So now we go to step 2 again, and at navigation, if he clicks homeowner, he will go to clicks homeowner. We can try in interactive mode. Let's see, click, pop, it goes here. Okay, now for step 5, I want to correct how fast you want the implementation to be. Okay, for step 6, I want to get the postal code. The zip code, we can make it for any other countries, but for this case, I'm going to. So in step 7, I want to correct the email address, phone number, and maybe the name. We correct the first name, last name, email, and the phone number. We all make them required. Maybe not the last name. Email, yes, required. Phone number, it should be required by default. So what happened here? So here in the email, we have email verification. We check if the email address is valid and can receive emails. That's the same for phone verification. We verify if the phone number is real and capable of receiving calls and text. So we have to filter our leads. So because this is our final step, we have to remove the continue button and then add the submit button that gathers all our leads in Landerlab. Next step. Because I want to add a thank you, so let's do a little bit of design for our quiz. Our quiz mostly consist of headline and image choice. Headlines, we can modify our font size and color of all the headlines with the tag heading 1. So let's do it. 32. As you can see, it moves right here. Even for heading 2, we have 32, so it's perfect because our headings are consistent. Now for image choice. I personally like this one. I don't want the indicator to be visible, so let's remove it. As you can see here, it applies. Click apply and it's moved. It's removed. We click update and wait for Landerlab to auto-save it. So here now is our quiz. We can test it live. If we click run, yeah, it's sorry, not illegal funding this time. Let's try with solar panel, homeowner, house, 6 months. Okay, so now let's go to Landerlab to see if our lead is there. Here is our landing page statistics. Let's go to leads. And yeah, here is the lead. Our lead is with status complete, but we also have partial leads. Partial leads are leads that user start using the flow, but stops at one step and leave it there. We call it partial leads here. Okay, thanks for watching. It was a pleasure to explain how to create a multi-step forms for solar influence. Thank you. See you in the next video.